Hey everyone. So, are your Xero invoices not sending via email? Maybe you click send and nothing happens, or clients aren't receiving your invoices. That can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on timely invoicing for cash flow. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Xero invoice email issues in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, go to your Xero email settings. Make sure your from address, SMTP settings and sender email are correctly configured. Double-check the recipient's email address. Typos, outdated addresses, or blocked domains can prevent invoices from sending. Some email providers have daily sending limits or restrictions. If you've exceeded these, your emails might be blocked. Check your email account's sending limits. Old browser data can sometimes prevent Xero from sending emails. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then refresh Xero and try again. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Some connections can interfere with email sending through Xero. Sometimes emails are being sent but landing in spam folders. Check your spam folder and ensure your email provider isn't blocking Xero emails. If none of the above works, contact Xero support. They can help troubleshoot account-specific issues and email delivery problems. And that's it. Most Xero invoice email issues can be fixed by checking email settings, verifying recipient addresses, or clearing your browser cache. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.